at. All these are different types of sequences and how we find them. Right here is the important one for us. Okay? As you notice, it goes up by 5, so add 5 every time, and we get a linear one. It's minus 4, we get another linear one. This is a little different, but this is a squared equation. Alright? You can study that in your own. This is the important one that you're going to be tested on. Right here. What happens with this right here? What happens every time?
Multiplies by 2.
Multiply by 2, very good. Now, we're going to multiply by 2 every time. And kind of think. If we want to add a lot of things, what's a quick way to add a lot of the same number? Is what? What? Multiply, right? And if we want to multiply, and that's why we multiply here. But if we want to multiply a bunch of numbers, what's a quick way to multiply a bunch of numbers? What?
Exponents.
Perfect. Which means this is exponential. And the base will be 2. So I'm going to put my n up here. My variable's on top. It's exponential. Right? And this is exponential. There is a problem here, though. If I put a 1 into n, what do I get? 2. Okay? And that's not 6. Here's how we find another thing. Up here, didn't I subtract?
Yes.
Right? It was kind of opposite of add. Here's a little trick you can do. If you take this number, divide it by that number, what is it?
3.
Every time you just have to multiply it by 3. And there's our formula that works. It works, doesn't it? Let's test it. Put a 1, 2, 3, 4 into n. What do you get?
4.
2 times 2 is?
8.
2 times 2 is?
4.
Times 2 is?
8.
Times 2 is?
16.
What's 16 times 3? That's right, 48. Okay? So it works. Alright? The next one is what? What's this times 2? 192? Correct? So on and so forth. What's the next one times 2?
396.
384 times 2.
284.
84. Next one.
768.
But we want to find the 30th term. It says up here, what is the 30th term? Okay, so what do we have to do? We have to put 30 in here. Now, everybody take your calculators out. Take those calculators of yours out. All right, we're going to find the 30th term. See if you get the same answer as me. So, you take this thing, it's called a calculator, right? It's an ancient adding tool. Can you see it? So, you basically take your 2, you press the to the button, which is that y to the x, okay, and then you press 30. Bing, boom. Make sure to press equal afterwards. Got that?
No.
And then finally, you press times 3, and you get 3, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 5, 4, 7, 2, which is 3,221,225,472. Not real chump change, huh? Okay, stop it.